How to take a 3D photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Go to the search bar at the bottom right corner and search for a free online 3D photo tool by typing 3D photo. Here, select PopPic 3D photo camera as shown. Once it's ready on your device, tap Open to launch the app. Inside the app's camera interface, frame the subject you wish to capture in your 3D photo. For the best effect, make sure your subject has some depth. When you are ready, tap the shutter button at the bottom of the screen to take the picture. After capturing the image, the app will display a preview of your 3D photo. Review it to ensure you're happy with the result. If satisfied, tap on Save, located in the top right corner, to store the 3D photo on your device. Following these steps, you can easily take a 3D photo on an iPhone.